Hey everybody, Recon Man here. Got us a couple seat repairs on a 2020 Ford Explorer. So let's get it prepped up and repaired. Move you guys over here to the passenger side so you can get a view of the repair. It's a tough part, getting the camera set up. First step, get it cleaned up. Get all the tire shine off of there that the cleanup people like to put on there. The repair compounds and dye do not stick to that stuff. Like I've said, I like to do the whole seat. Even though I'm only repairing one small section, I want the whole seat to look good. That brush helps pull that stuff out too, helps pull the oils out. You can see it beading up. It's that tire shine in action. Stuff's garbage, ruins your car, don't use it. Clean it, clean the leather and vinyl with glass cleaner or warm soapy water, and that's it. I'm gonna clean the console while I'm at it because it's dirty. There's the Windex. Now we get the prep cleaner. Leave that. And this cleaner here is a degreaser solvent. Removes all the oils and contaminants that will prohibit the repair from bonding or the paint from sticking. And cleans really well. Makes it look really good too. passenger seat just so it looks good up here. And hit the steering wheel too. Nice. Duraflex repair compound. Get these two spots prepped up a little bit. The heat melts it together and gets it laying down flush so the repair lays flat. That one wanted to take off. Gotta be really careful. They don't make them like they used to. You've got to be careful. Graining pad. This puts the factory grain back into the repair compound. There we go. The heat's pulling that little dimple out too. Helps shrink that material back up. Especially if you get it hot and then get it cold. We'll do that right now. Little water, boom. That'll shrink it right up, tighten it right up. Chill bar works good too. This is the chill bar. Oh yeah, tightened it right up. Let you take a look at the repairs before I put color on them. On this side. You can see it pulled out with a nice big indentation. It pulled about 85%, 90% of it out. The grain's in there. You can see that. We'll hit it with some color and she'll be done.
Preserve the wealth you already have. Start now by calling Lear Capital at 800-927-2400. Get their free report, The Tipping Point.
It's windy. It's got 30-mile-an-hour gusts out here. I'm trying to find a place to put this thing.
Over 25 years experience.
You can see me getting the paint gun ready. Let's see. Stick this. Puts you right here on this side of the van. So it'll work. Then you can watch me get the dye ready. Here on the roof, getting some sun, a little heat in it. It's pretty much a standard black, like all colors. Black just doesn't have black in it. It's got, depending on the tint of the color, it's got brown, red, blue, gray. Got seats. Pretty much a standard black with a normal sheen. So when you're gonna have an inverter, you can't have percent. I got a mic on order. Gotta get mic'd up so you can hear me better. Pigment and base mixed up. I do it by eye because I've been doing it for so many years. It just works good for me. Now we gotta get the paint gun cleaned up. Cleaned up. Get the cleaner out of it. Get it loaded. This is a mixture of water and the solvent for cleaning Repsol. Spray gun's just a little inexpensive Harbor Freight unit. Used to be $25, now they're about 30, but still really inexpensive in comparison to some of the spray guns. if I can do this one-handed and spray. Hold the camera and spray. Yeah, maybe if I switch hands. Dial the pressure down a little bit. Like that. Put a thin coat over the whole seat. If the color is just a tick off, nobody notices. Pro tip number 1. And you use the heat gun in cool mode to speed up the drying. But also get the heated seat on and the heat. Maybe the heat fired up already, but dragging. There we have it. Trying to dry this area. See the repairs. This material was really thin. You can only do what the material will allow you to do. If it's really thick, sturdy, strong vinyl, you can do lots with it. If it's like this stuff here, it doesn't like heat, and heat's what it takes to get the grain back in there and make it look real good. So that's why the grain's not in it. I couldn't get it hot enough to get the grain perfect without just melting the whole seat, you know. That old saying, they don't make them like they used to, is very true. That'll do it for this repair on the 2024 Explorer seat. Catch you on the next one. See ya.